Hi people, I'm gonna do some belching. This video is gonna be about like 3 minutes long, so I hope I'm not wasting any of your time. Anyways, I'm gonna start now. Oh yes, that was nice. Very nice. What the hell? What kind of burp is that? I mean belch. What kind of belch is that? Like, okay. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna try and do better than what I just did. Hold on. Okay, I can't. I'll keep trying anyway. Oh, I hate it when I can't belch. And it's always at the time I want to record a video, too. Ugh, whatever. I don't want to be a chicken, I don't want to be a duck, all I want to do is... Okay, I'm sorry. I don't want to be a chicken, I don't want to be a duck, all I want to do is... Oh, I can't do it. Uh-oh, I got a big belch bubble stuck in my stomach, and it's really big. Let's wait for it to come up. Woo! That felt good.
Mamma mia! Luke, I am your father.
Okay. I'm gonna say some things in my belches. So, like, yeah.
Daddy.
Whoa. That was some sort of weird one, but yeah.
Pantyhose.
I'm gonna say my name in my belch. Haha. It's gonna be so funny. Wait.
Sarina.
That tasted like pizza. I swear to God, that wasn't me. If I do really loud belches, my parents will get really mad at me. Yeah! Okay, hold on. aftershock. Sort of like an earthquake. My English is really bad. Don't mind me.
Oh my god, no way.
This is gonna stink up my room. For sure it is. Okay, wait, I'm gonna put the microphone down. It's pissing me off.